And there we go. Oops. Let's check straight away the gasket. Ooh. What do we see here? Is that a dry gasket or is it a wet gasket? Oh my god. Look at this. It's dryish there. Now look at the rest. Especially here. Around the bolt it seems to be. Not really. And the weak spot is here. You can see the weak spot. Here. It's about 2-3 millimeters compared to 4 millimeters here. Yeah, it's a bit wettish, huh? Oops. It should be dry, not wet. Look at this. There's oil everywhere. If we remove it, we can see at least one reason why. It is a crap case. Shall we see if there's oil in the crankcase? I guess there is. Look at this. You see it? So, it was a gearbox oil sucker, but not a big one. As the bolts were not that loose, as they usually are. Small engine half, of course, the same. Oil. It's not allowed to be in there. Just wave washers. Bad machined engine cases. Yeah, usually they should have same marks, but they don't. See it? Or here. Look. Oops. This part is okay. Yeah, all the old engine cases did look definitely better. That's okay-ish, but not everywhere. Oh, look at here. That's a good example. How is it machined here? Doesn't seem to be machined here. Oh yeah, you know, you can see. This is different than this. There should be everywhere the same marks. But there aren't. We already know that. And if you look at the crank, you see there's oil. Okay, it can be from the oil pump, sure. But we will see when we open it.